Introducing the 1326 strategy. One of Deriv Bot's preset strategies designed to help you navigate the markets with ease. It is important to note that the number of units in stake adjustment is based on the amount of the initial stake. With a 1 USD initial stake, 1 unit adjustment results in stakes of 1 USD. With a 2 USD initial stake, 1 unit adjustment results in stakes of 2 USD. In this example, we set the initial stake at 1 USD. If the trade is successful, this strategy will automatically adjust your stake to 3 units of your initial stake for the next trade. In this case, the stake adjustment is 3 units and the initial stake is 1 USD, hence the stake for the next trade will be 3 USD. If there are 2 consecutive successful trades, your stake will adjust to 2 USD or 2 units of the initial stake for the next trade. However, if any trade results in a loss, your stake will reset back to the initial stake of 1 USD for the next trade. This strategy trades minimally at the initial stake. If the initial stake is 1 USD, the next trade will be 1 USD. If a series of consecutive successful trades were to occur, the stake would be adjusted 1326 units. After a cycle completes, it will be reset and repeat itself. The rationale behind this strategy is that there is a perceived higher likelihood of success in the second trade after one successful trade. Hence, the stake adjusts to 3 units of initial stake in the second trade. After 2 consecutive successful trades, the stake adjusts to 2 units of the initial stake due to a perceived lower probability of another successful trade. However, if there are 3 consecutive successful trades, the strategy will place all the previous gains, a total of 6 units of initial stake, into the 4th trade with the aim of doubling the potential profits. If the 4th trade results in a positive outcome, the strategy helps achieve a total gain of 12 units. However, if it results in a loss, all the previous gains are forfeited. In short, the 1326 strategy aims to maximize potential profits with 4 consecutive successful trades and is beneficial in the event of a long streak of successful trades. However, do take note of the risks involved. The series of consecutive successful trades do not last forever. If you encounter a series of consecutive losses, the strategy can lead to significant losses. It is important to manage risks effectively by setting profit and loss thresholds. For example, if you set a profit threshold at 100 USD and the strategy exceeds 100 USD in profit from all trades, the bot will stop running. The vice versa will also apply for the loss threshold. It is highly recommended to evaluate your risk tolerance, practice on a demo account, set profit and loss thresholds, and familiarize yourself with the 1326 strategy before engaging in real money trading. More information on preset strategies can be found in the Tutorials tab.